Couple of modifications for y'all. Got a new radio there. Got my mirror up. A couple other things. Just went mudding. Y'all probably saw. Supreme stickers. You obviously need those. Just clumps of mud on this thing. Pretty sweet. So here's that new radio I was talking about. Got it from Kenwood, some website. It's a good website. I forgot what it's called. I'll link it in the description below. But this thing's pretty sweet. Let me turn the key here. It should fire up in any second. And it changes colors, and can't really see it right now because it's sun shining. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fine, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other. So if you have an S10 or a Sonoma, I really do recommend this. It's got Bluetooth also, but it doesn't sound as good as having this cord here. There's the old radio. Like I said, I like this radio a lot better. It got Bluetooth and it makes the sound better. I don't even really need new speakers. I still have to tune it some. You can tune everything, so that's what kind it is, a KMM something from Kenwood. But it's a pretty sweet radio. I recommend it. I'll give a link in the description in case any of y'all need it. And thanks for watching. Peace.